Okay, really fast. I got a package from Danny Collins. Let's see. I got my mask on because I just dumped a bunch of flakes and dust. So it's very dusty in here now. What is it? You don't know who Danny Collins is? There's his info. Yay. There you go. What do I got? Ooh, it's root beer. Huh. He probably told me that he was going to send me some. And I didn't remember. This is exciting. Dang it, it looks good. Yes, sir. Yes. Yep. Let's see. Where are you? There you are. Well, this one looks kind of weather damaged or heat damaged. Let's see. I'm just going to have to experiment with this stuff. Yeah. Find out where the good spots are. Yeah. This one might only be good near the cortex. Yeah. It looks okay near the cortex. Yeah. Let's see. My battery power is getting low, so I gotta go inside here in a minute. But I think if I just skin off all this bad stuff, I'll still have a little bit under the cortex that I can nap on these pieces. Let's see, how about this one? Oh yeah, much better. Oh yeah, sweetness. Oh, I'm making my shop all messy. It's terrible. All right, let's see. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? It's quite a difference. Yeah. It's quite a difference. This one only has good stuff near the cortex. So there's small points at the most. You know, I can get some small points. We'll see. So I can save these, but the rest of it is too damaged on that first piece. This one, though, this one looks very promising. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Yep. Come on. There you go. There you go. Sweetness. Yeah. Excellent. All right, what do we got? Ooh, they got some weirdness going on. Got some passengers on here. Yeah. There we go. Gotta knock off those stowaways. There we go. Where am I gonna get into this one? I don't know. I don't want to hit it too much. If it's good material, it'll cause some incipients. Can't hit it too much. Yeah. Okay. All right. So I think I can get that stowaway off of there. Not yet. Okay. Here it is. Almost. Almost. It's a stubborn one. Yikes. Took too much off the end over here. Getting too excited. This is getting beaten to death. You don't know how hard I'm hitting this, do you? He don't know how hard, do he? Nope. Come on. It's tough, but not that tough. Sweet. It's not as slick as the one before. So you've got, mid-grade. This is mid-grade. This is high-grade. High-grade, mid-grade, and low-grade. Got everything in this batch. Take a snapshot real quick, just in case I need it. Let's see what else we got. Am I going to heat treat some of this? I don't know. Maybe. I shouldn't have to. Yeah. We'll see. Yeah. Maybe some of the smaller flakes. But the larger blades I can keep raw, I think. Yeah. There it is. Nice. This is a mid-grade. It's not, see how it's not smooth when it's flaked? This one is smooth flaked. See how all these flakes run smooth on this higher grade? These are both mid-grades. This is the highest, and you can see the difference in smoothness of the flake. See that? There's hardly any of this stuff. See how it's kind of bumpy? Okay. Let me see. This looks beautiful. Yeah, high grade. Very flinty. Oh yeah, look at that. Smooth. That's another snapshot. Yeah. All right, look at this. Look at it. Tabular. All right. Tabulars are a mixed bag. Some of them are excellent. Some of them are dicey. Some of them are mixed, excellent with nasty stuff. Some of it comes with damage from nature. You never know with this stuff. But you know what? I'm gonna get a butterfly with this one. Yeah. It's good. It's very nice. I like it. I don't want to mess it up on video. Yeah. Sounds nice as well. Thanks for that big old piece. Yeah. Let's just hope I don't ruin it. All right. Nothing wrong with that. It is a mid-grade. Still good though. Good to use raw. I'll probably heat treat the lower grade. Kind of this one here. The one that got kind of lumpy when it's flaked, it's kind of lumpy. I'm gonna try some of these flakes in a heat treat. But the other stuff should not need any heat. Yeah, this stuff, this is mid grade, mid to high grade, doesn't need any heat. I don't think. Very nice. The translucency is cool. Yep. Honey colored translucency. Right? Yes. Woo. Okay, let's see what this is. Yeah. Oh yeah. That is a cracked one. It's got some good stuff on that side. Yeah. It does have some cracks in it. I think I can work around the outside, get rid of the cracks, and then see what I got. Right. It's got a seam in it right here, but it might not be a big deal. Some of these seams, they get healed up in nature. In the nature. I gotta go in. The battery's dying. Let's see. Just a little bit more. Yeah, so it's a little bit of a lower grade. I'm kind of afraid to heat this stuff up though, because sometimes these will break up with heat, even though they might look good. So it's best to keep it raw. Sometimes heat will make this break up and become even more cracked. Yeah. Yeah, so that crack goes in diagonally. Yeah. There it is. So yeah, if I heat this up, it'll probably get worse. See how it's got internal issues? So I'll just leave it raw. You know, what I'll do is I might not keep this piece. What I'll do is I'll try to keep the stuff near the cortex, mainly. Try to take out this interior stuff. Yeah. All right. Fantastic. Wonderful. Tremendous. Stupendous. Great. Sweet. It's giggly. That one is giggly. Yep. This one, too bad. That one was too bad. Alright. What else we got in here? We got some. Some has too much cortex. Yeah. Well, I could try that. Well, no, that's not good. All right. Excellent. Thanks, Danny. Beautiful.